आगे भी जाने न तू, पीछे भी जाने न तू, जो भी है बस यही एक पल है. Hi there, this is Gaurav Gupta, your life and business success strategist. Welcome to the Daily Snippets. A wonderful song by Asha Bhosle, Aage bhi jaane na tu, piche bhi jaane na tu, reminded me of a wonderful concept that I share with my readers in my book, Ditch the Ordinary, Create an Intense Extraordinary Life. In my book, I talk to you about SDIAGT Club. I'm sure you must have heard about this club. The SDIAGT Club holds the unofficial record for maximum number of members on the planet. This club gives you access to lifetime of fantastical living. And not only this, if you enroll for this club, you also get a lifetime membership of the IFO Club or the If Only Club. This club rids you of all worries and all burdens and all responsibilities of past, present and future, and you can live like a free bird. Sounds like a bargain, right? You honestly believe that one fine day you will start working in the direction of your dreams and towards your future extraordinary self. You have dreams that are powerful and strong and worth pursuing. Dreams that require you to step out of your comfort zone. Dreams that require you to jump out of the bed every single day, take action, make sacrifices, take risks. But still, you hang in there. You keep thinking and keep waiting for the right opportunity. You keep telling yourself, someday I am going to. Someday I am going to do this, someday I am going to achieve greatness, someday I am going to start working in the direction of my dreams. SDIAGT. And what you're waiting for is just the right people, the right resources, the right opportunities, the right things, or the right time. Now what happens as a result of this SDIAGT mindset is that you just procrastinate, and this inaction makes your dreams look so bigger, so far away from you that you are drained of all the energy. And that leads you to IFOs or the If Only Club. You get inducted into that club. At the end of your career or at the end of your life or many years later after inaction, when your dream is actually looking too far and too big for you to reach, you start thinking, if only I would have done this at the right time, if only I had the right resources, if only I had the right parents, if only I had the right siblings, if only I had the right bosses. While SDIAGT leads you to procrastination and inaction, IFO or If Only leads you to valuing in self-pity, and you start looking at the reasons for your failure outside yourself. The bottom line, however, is you are not taking action because you're procrastinating and you're stopping yourself from taking that risk, from pursuing and living out loud. There's this beautiful story which I heard a few years ago that helped me get rid of my procrastination for good. I'm sure if you will apply the lessons of the story into your life, you too will be able to get out of the SDIAGT and IFO mindset forever. A young man was struggling, and he was struggling with the same SDIAGT syndrome. He went to his grandfather, who was a learned man, and asked him, "Grandpa, how can I rid of this procrastination and SDIAGT mindset?" His grandpa directed him to his coach. This guy went to this coach who was sitting in a library and asked him, "Sir, grandfather sent me to you and he asked me to ask you the secret. How can I get rid of procrastination or SDIAGT mindset?" This wise man handed this boy a bag. He said, "Son, take this bag. This bag has the secret which will let you know how you can get rid of your procrastination forever." The boy took the bag, went home, and on the way he was just desperately wanting to open it, but he thought, okay, let me go home and then open the bag. At his home, he opened the bag. He looked inside the bag and pulled out something from the bag. You know what the bag had? The bag had a hourglass. The boy kept looking at the hourglass and kept wondering, what did the wise man actually wanted to tell me by giving me the hourglass? He kept looking at it for some time, and after a few moments he realized that yes, the wise man had a very profound message. Your life is like the hourglass. The past is already gone. The sands of past is gone. The sands of future, you do not know how much sand is there on the other side. All you can be sure about is this moment. It is this moment which is the moment of your dreams. It is this moment which is the moment of your action. If you do not take actions in the direction of your dreams right now, in this moment, it will be too late and you will never be able to reach your dreams. And his procrastination just went away. Very profound lesson, my friends. If you want to get rid of your procrastination, remember, you do not know about tomorrow. You do not know about the next moment. All you can be sure about is right now. So whatever it is that you're sitting comfortably on, get up and start taking action. It could be mending a relationship, it could be building a business, it could be writing a book, it could be going and conducting a seminar, it could be going and making your career in Broadway, in sports, or whatever it is that will actually make your life truly extraordinary. This moment is all you have, because you do not know how much sand is there on the other side of the glass. And remember, as Steve Jobs said, your life and your time is limited. So do not waste your life living somebody else's life. Go ahead and make a dent in the universe. And always remember Asha Bhosle's song, आगे भी जाने ना तू, पीछे भी जाने ना तू, जो भी है बस यही एक पल है. So get up, get rid of SDIAGT and IFO mindset, kill procrastination, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, keep rocking, stay blessed, and have a wonderful life. Thank you.